So today we are going to see how to save the work view. It's a different orientation from the standard view. Save in a different name. Okay. First, I expand this model views, which is in standard. Just double click on back, bottom, front, isometric, left, right, top, and trimetric. These all are the standard views. Save. The all views are available in drawing also. Okay. So this is one of kind of work view I want to use again and again for my further modifications. So I want to see this view again and again, and I not do not want to save or orient this kind of work view again and again. That's why I want to going to save this work view in different. Okay, let's see how to save this. Orient the view, work view as you want. Then go to the menu, view, operation, and click on save as. Save it. Just type your name. Suppose I am typing here my name and click OK. As you see, the bottom view. If I double click on Nikhil, it's the work view which just save it under this name, then I got this view. Remember, this view is available in drawing also.